Kentucky girl in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everybody, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So glad to have you here. Thank you so much for taking precious time out of your day to spend it with me. Today I have a Hobby Lobby haul. I don't get out a whole lot, but I stopped by our Hobby Lobby that's closest to me and went and looked around, and I found a few things. So I wanted to share those with you. The first thing that I found, you guys, are these little mini gnomes. And I just thought they were so cute. And they're Easter themed, they're Easter crafts. So what I'll probably do with these is make little cover minders out of them, which is very simple to do. So that is what I'm going to do with those. I love my cover minders. I use them frequently, and I like to have a variety to choose from. So anyway, I just thought those were super cute. The next thing I found were these beads, and they're little angels. So if you've been watching Star, Joan, Miss Southern Belle, and I occasionally will make the beaded pins on my channel. So I thought these would be very cute to make the beaded pins out of. So I got 2 sets of those. Now, when you cut the strands here, all the beads are going to come off. So anyway, but I thought those were cute. I'll just leave them laying here so you guys can see them. And then I found these green ones, and you guys know me, I love green. So I thought these would be really pretty. And then I found the red. So Valentine's Day is coming up. And some of these were on sale. And then I found the hearts. Aren't those pretty? I love all the bling now. Bling, bling. And then these are little strawberries. Aren't they cute? I thought those were really, really pretty. And then I found these hearts. And yeah, there you go. They're kind of a pink color, but in the light they turn a little reddish. So they're really pretty. Really pretty. So those are the beads. And then I thought my grandkids were going to be coming, but weren't able to make it. So they love these little foam crafts. We spent about 2 hours one night on making these little foam crafts. Now, I am not going to open these up. If I do, I'll never get it all back together again. And I don't have any baggies over here close where I can put them in, but just they decorate them. There's just all kinds of little foam pieces in here. This one's all hearts and smaller hearts, and then there's little faces and things that they can make out of the hearts. So I thought they would enjoy doing this the next time they come. It's a lot of fun. I enjoy crafting with my granddaughters, and they absolutely love those. And then the next thing I got, you guys know me, and I'm getting into the paper craft stuff. So this was on clearance for $3.99, and they're just 8.5 by 11. Just they're one-sided little sheets for crafting. Lots of nice designs on there. Look at the little bunnies. So cute. Ooh, those are pretty. Stripes and stars. So it's just a Mod Podge of, there's some hearts. Nice. Of different crafting paper. So, we got that. All right, now on to the little things. Now, I'm not going to open these, but I got this one for my granddaughter. My youngest one loves butterflies, and these are nice size little, I got these in the spring shop, and they were on sale. I don't remember. I think they were 40% off of $3.99, whatever that is. And then, of course, it's enclosed in this, so I'm not taking it out. But these are crystals. And I thought these were very, very pretty. Just something that the youngest one can work on. And then the oldest one loves unicorns. And I found this one. Also $3.99 at Hobby Lobby. You guys need to go over and check out Hobby Lobby before all of these, whoops, I'm not centered there. They sell out of them. There wasn't a lot left on the shelves in my Hobby Lobby. And we tend not to get a lot of the stuff that the bigger cities get anyway. But, and I say my Hobby Lobby, but it's in the next town over for me. Where I go. So sometimes I drive about 75 miles to another town, and when I'm there, I usually go to Hobby Lobby, and Michael's there just to see what they have, because they're just a little bit bigger than ours. But there is those two. The next one, guys, let's see. I'm going to have to, bring you out just a little bit. There we go. I found this lighthouse. I love lighthouses. This canvas is a little wrinkled in here. I'm not sure how it's going to be when I take it out of the package. I may have to lay something on top of it for a little bit. I don't know. But all of these come already on the frames. These are in frames, and of course you can see these are stapled to the frame. Now your legend is on the back side here, so what I do with that is I just take a picture of it with my phone. I can take a picture and print it. But yeah, so this one has 27 colors. Again, I'm not going to open this. If I open it, I will never get it back in. You know, I don't want to lose anything. And I'm in my house, not at the craft house where I can put things away properly. But I thought that was beautiful. So yeah, you can see. This was in the spring shop. Its original price was $8.99. I got 40% off of that. But I absolutely love it. And there's the thumbnail. And again, it has 27 colors. And this is 11.8 by 15.75 inches, or 30 by 40, a true 30 by 40. So, very nice. I didn't tell you what these sizes were. 5.9 by 5.9 inches or 15 by 15 centimeters on those. But here's your drill field. I'm not gonna lower the, so it's clear. Drill field's clear. It's very nice. Like I said, there's some wrinkles in this one. I'm not sure. I don't like that much, but I may have to tighten the canvas around and re-staple it. We'll have to see. Pull it a little tighter. But again, I love that. So there's that one. Yep, y'all saw the top of my head. The next one, now I believe I've seen this one already before. This one is also a 40 by 30 from the Spring Shop. It was $8.99, 40% off. And this is the little cottage. And I thought it was beautiful. Now this one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, has glow drills. Yes, it does. There they are. The glow drills in it. And it has 30 colors. This has 30 colors in it. And I thought it was so pretty with all the flowers. And it's just nice and cozy. A cozy little cottage. The lights on. So pretty. And here is your drill field. Very clear. And of course now when you take this outer plastic off, there is another, there's a cover sheet over this as well. But there you can see some of the colors. So it's going to be really nice. I like that. I like it a lot. Really like that. All right. And then last but not least, you guys know how I love my horses. And so I found this one, and it is just beautiful. There's, I don't know if that's just in the outer covering, it's wrinkly. But that I thought was beautiful. Just beautiful. And again, they're all on a, already on a canvas frame. Your typical toolkit and everything. And look at the colors in that. That is going to be gorgeous. And it has 28 colors. And all of these are round drill. Here is the drill field. So these are just super, super pretty. I wish I could open it so you could see some of the drills and stuff, but as I said, I apologize, but it's just, I don't want to lose anything, and I would, but I thought that was just gorgeous. Here's that thumbnail. Look how pretty that horse is. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Love it. So, yep. So we have the horse. Here, guys, let's see. We have the cozy cabin, the cozy cottage. We have the lighthouse. We have the butterfly and the unicorn. I got all these papers. I got little foam crafting kits. I got all my beads. So I think I had a pretty good haul here from Hobby Lobby. And then, of course, can't forget my little gnomes. So, there you go. You guys remember, be kind to others. Give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you might make in that person's life. God bless each and every one of you. Till next time, I'll see ya. Bye-bye now.